starting off, we have Puffball, right? Did her in one video, and I got 356 views. That's a lot. I also did tell everyone, thanks for 8 subs. I just need 2 more, and then we can do. I can't do a house tour, but I can do a backyard tour. I already did that before, but I'll show you my whole backyard. Maybe I did. But I'll try to do it. So I can't do a house tour, but I'll try to do it on my other channel. So for 10 subs, I might do something else. Like, I can't do a reaction video, but I could. I could make a reaction for episode 14 and 15, I don't actually know, but that's coming out soon. So I'll just do something special. Well, let's get on my video. Hopefully, you already seen. Now let's play with this. This is a popper. And you can hear the music in the background. You can. Some really good music. Okay, this is good. Cool. Yeah, this is fun playing this. I can't do What a Snowy Day 4 Part 2, but I can do it in the future. Because there's no snow outside. You don't know it's good. So this one's ended. I also made a Foley, and I also made like a 20 video. And I also get on to the new Fidgets. I just got these ones today. I don't know what this one's called. Guys, in the comments, tell me what this one is called. Cool. I'm gonna try to stretch it out. Yeah, I think that's what this toy's about. And then we got one of these things. We have this cool thing. Yeah. And then we got a monkey noodle. I don't have the DNA ball, but I can get a simple dimple in the next. Yeah, I will get a simple dimple in the next part. Then we got a pea pod, the little pea pod with the little guys inside it. And then we got it all, the Among Us squishy. No, I didn't mean you. The Among Us popper. Oh, why do you not like them? Okay, stop being proud about it. Oh, he said, this is a ripoff. It's not a ripoff. It's a popper. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna go get the DNA ball and the other stuff in the next video. So, I'll see this clip. My brother let me borrow this thing. No. Here we are. I mean, I'll get this one. I don't know what this one's called. I think it's like a thing where you tap. It's like a thing where you like pop it. Okay, next we have the DNA bubble. Whoa. Look how cool this is. Also, I might show you the fidget cube in a different video, but my brother has lots of fidgets, and he just loves them. Here we are. We got the simple pimple. I mean the simple dimple. Guys, you might see videos of people putting ice inside them. Well, I can't do that, but I would be cool to like put in ice. So I think that's all of it. And guys, I think you can go buy these like on Amazon. Yeah, you can go buy them on Amazon. You can also go find them at the store. Like at Walmart, there's a lot there. Okay guys, that's all of the things I wanted to show you. So, bye and see you in the next video.